Hey guys, so earlier today I had one of the lead nurses at one of the centers that we're working at come up to me and tell me how unfortunately sad and upset she was that our group will be not servicing their site anymore in a few months. And she was just saying how unbelievably upset she was, how much she loved our group and how much she loved our people, how much it was so great working with us, and if she could have any say in anything, that she would choose our group over any other any day. And that made me think a lot about a lot of things. And I think that one of the things that it made me think of is about value. And in the anesthesia business world, there's changeover sometimes. There's anesthesia groups service a place, and then there for some for reasons the anesthesia group switches and changes, and I think a lot of institutions get to see and observe how anesthesia groups operate, and what the quality of that group is. And what I realized today is that, or realized again, is that the value you bring to an organization will reveal itself when you leave that organization, or your anesthesia group leaves that organization or plans to. Is the feedback that you get from the real-time people about who we are, who you are, and what you're made of. And I think that that you can look at revenue, you can look at numbers, you can look at KPIs, key performance indicators, you can look at all of these things to try to articulate and exemplify what your anesthesia group is, and how good your group is. But I think the real message and the authentic message is in the people that tell you their honest opinion, their authentic opinion during this time about who you are. And what I mean by that is that an anesthesia practice is made up of people. And those people, whether they're doctors or CRNA or administration and things like that, it's the value and quality of those people, and the value that they bring to any organization that they set foot in. And these people, it's about their quality, it's about their principles, it's about their work ethic, it's about their ability to deal with adversity. It's all of these things that determine, the people that are servicing an organization. And it's just a good reminder to me to show me that we're doing the right thing, that we're working the right way, that we're adding value to the marketplace in a great way. And this is just another reminder for me to realize that.